In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create analytics report in Freshsales Crm. To get started, look at the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales. You will see several icons for different areas of the CRM. Find the analytics icon, which looks like a small bar chart, and click it. This takes you into the analytics section, where reports and dashboards are managed. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the reporting options clearly. Next, move to the top right corner of the analytics page and click the New Report button. This begins the report creation process and opens up the report setup screen. At this point, you are building the structure of your report, so it is a good idea to be clear about what you want to measure and how you want to view it. Now enter a report name. Choose a name that tells you exactly what the report contains, especially if your team will create multiple reports over time. A clear name makes it easier to find later and reduces confusion when you are reviewing analytics quickly. After naming the report, click Add Widget. Widgets are the visual building blocks of your report. You will choose the type of visualization that best fits your data. If you choose a chart, you will select a metric to measure, such as deals, and then set a group by field, such as owner. This is useful when you want to compare results across people, stages, sources, or other categories. Try to pick a grouping that matches the decision you want this report to support. If you choose a table instead, use the Show Underlying Data option. This lets you see the detailed rows behind the numbers and add specific columns to your tabular view. Tables are helpful when you need exact records, not just trends or totals. Once your widget is set, apply filters to narrow the data to what matters. Filters can refine results by criteria and also by timeframes, so your report reflects the period or segment you actually want to analyze. Keep filters consistent if you plan to compare this report with others. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to store your report. And that is all there is to it.